In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to connect your iPad to Insignia TV. So let's get started. Now first, let's talk about the wireless option. Some newer Insignia TVs support Apple AirPlay, especially models that run Fire TV OS or Roku TV. If your TV supports AirPlay, make sure your iPad and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. Now on your iPad, swipe down from the top right corner and open Control Center. Now here you want to tap on screen mirroring and look for your Insignia TV in the list. Tap it and within a second your iPad screen will appear on the TV. Now if you don't see the TV, grab the Insignia remote and check the TV settings. On Roku based Insignia TVs, go to settings and then Apple AirPlay HomeKit like so, and make sure AirPlay is turned on. And on your Fire TV models, AirPlay may not be supported, so it's normal if the option isn't there, but some do. Some latest models, the ones from early few years ago, like 2 to 3 years ago, do have Apple AirPlay and HomeKit option in settings. So just go ahead and check if it's there and make sure it's enabled. But still, if AirPlay isn't available, the most reliable method otherwise is using an HDMI cable. For this, you will need an HDMI adapter for your iPad, whether it be your Lightning to HDMI adapter or a USB-C to HDMI adapter, really depending on your iPad model. Plug the adapter into your iPad and then connect the HDMI cable to the Insignia TV, and then switch the TV to the correct HDMI input and make sure your screen will instantly show them. The method doesn't need Wi-Fi and it really works on all Insignia TVs, whether it be an older model or a newer model. Now there are also third-party screen mirroring apps, but most free versions have limits or lag, so HDMI or AirPlay are still the best choices. And once it's connected, you can watch videos, show photos, or play games straight from your iPad to the TV. Anyways, guys, that'll be for this video. I hope it helped you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.